Okay, so we're diving right in. Stephanie's nodding along, but don't let the calm fool you. This is courtroom quicksand. The moment you say, "Yes, ma'am," you might be sinking in deeper than you think. What would you do here? Plead or push back? Let me know in the comments.
State of Texas.
Defense?
Stephanie, please.
And you're on this side? And how do you pronounce your last name?
Plead, ma'am.
All right. And are you Stephanie Cleve? And state's motion of supplement pending motion to revoke community supervision. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you the same Stephanie Cleve who was placed on?
Boom, she pleads true. Now that's not just a word. It's a legal green light for the court to hand out fines, jail time, or worse. Remember, pleading true in a motion to revoke isn't like saying my bad. It's admitting a violation that could cost your freedom.
Community supervision in 2022 CR 8049 for the offense of theft under $2,500 enhanced on September 22nd, 2022 for a period of 3 years.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, state.
On or about, violating condition number 2, on or about the 18th day of May 2023 in Bexar County, Texas, the defendant.
Oh, now the stakes get real. The complainant in the assault case? Her partner. The court's not just juggling probation violations here, it's stepping into relationship landmine. What do you think should happen when a domestic case involves current cohabitation?
Stephanie Cleve did then and there fail to submit to drug testing as directed by the court officer, supervision officer, and/or a duly authorized agent of the court in violation of condition number 2.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
True. The state will waive and abandon the other allegations.
Any objections to the waivers?
No objection, Your Honor.
All right. Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 2, the court could find it true, grant the motion, sentence you up to $1,000 fine and 1 year in the state jail facility?
Yes, ma'am.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 2?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find violation of condition number 2 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
Yes, Your Honor. The state is recommending that the conditions be, to deny the motion and that the conditions be altered and amended for a 6 months extension of the community supervision and a 30-day jail sanction with credit for time served. And she has been in jail the last 30 days and a BIPP course. And taking that into consideration, the state is making a motion to dismiss Night Mag number 719294.
719294. And what is that offense?
That's a assault family second offense.
And who is the complainant in that case?
Her name is Laura
Sabatino, Your Honor.
Nora?
Laura, Laura, and I just spoke with her, and she was aware of this situation.
Okay, and what's the last name?
Sabatino, Sabatino.
Yike. When the judge says no UAs means drug issues, she's not just guessing. This is standard legal info. Refusing a drug test is like refusing a breathalyzer. It speaks volume. And let's be honest, I had no ride is not winning any courtroom Oscars today.
All right. Are you asking the court to follow that agreement?
Yes.
Are you waiving your right to appeal?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, can you raise your right hand for me, please? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes. Yes.
You can lower your hand, state your name for the record.
Stephanie Cleve.
All right, who is Laura Sabatino to you?
She is my partner, girlfriend.
All right. And do you currently live with her?
Yes, ma'am.
And does she want her living with her?
I believe she does. Yes, Your Honor.
So I realize y'all are taking that in consideration, but part of my job is to make sure that everyone is protected. So with regards to that case, were there any injuries?
There was some redness, not serious injuries or anything.
All right. Was there alcohol or anything involved with that?
I don't believe there's immediate evidence that there was alcohol involved.
All right. Why are you doing poorly on probation? Because there are other allegations that the state could have proceeded on and they did not. So why are you doing poorly? Why are you not taking your drug testing?
Your Honor, I was taking care of my father and I had a lot of stress and I didn't have a vehicle at the time. So it was hard getting around.
Did you call probation and tell them that?
Yes, ma'am.
So you called and told them, I'm not going to do drug testing.
Plot twist. Laura's here. the same Laura named in the assault case. The court's about to find out if she wants contact, while also protecting her safety. If this were a Netflix drama, this would be the end of episode cliffhanger. Would you allow contact here or hold the line?
Because I'm taking care of my father and there are other issues I have going on.
Well, no, ma'am, but I did keep in contact with my probation officer and let her know that I did not have a vehicle, but I did show up, on time.
Are you employed?
I do Uber and DoorDash right now. That's what
All
I
right.
was doing.
No, were you employed July 2nd, 2023?
No, ma'am.
September?
Yes, the end of September.
All right. So how much were you being paid?
Not much. I was doing just maybe 2 days a week. So
Why didn't you take the VIA bus?
Excuse me?
Why didn't you take the VIA bus to probation? VIA, when I was riding VIA, I think it was $1. They may have gone up to $2.
Yes, ma'am.
That's cheaper than gas. So why didn't you go and do your UA with probation?